Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to access the Reka AI website on mobile and PC. As you don't need to install any app, you can use directly from your browser. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. On mobile, you can open Chrome or Safari, but on PC or laptop, you can just open Chrome, Edge or Firefox. Within the search bar, type reka.ai and press enter. This will open the official Reka AI website. Once the website loads, you will see the information about Reka AI, its model, features. You can just scroll down to learn more about the Reka AI offers. To look Reka AI interactive tools, look for options that say try Reka and tap on it, where it will directly redirect you to the sign-in page. Within it, you will be given two options. If you already have an account, you can just tap continue with Google or enter your email address. But if you are new, you can simply tap sign up and it will open the sign up page where you can create your account. And now make sure to follow the on-screen instruction in order to create the account successfully. On mobile, the website automatically adjusts to your screen so you can use all the features just like on a computer. If you want a quick access, you can add it to your home screen. On PC, you can simply bookmark the website for faster access next time, as well as you can change the name or choose the folder if you want, and after setting the name and folder, simply tap done. You can also open multiple tabs and use Reka AI comfortably on a larger screen, and that's how you can easily access the Reka AI website on both mobile and PC. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.